Okay, welcome to the new Poseidon Greek restaurant website built by Full Web Solutions using the WordPress platform. So, here's a quick video showcasing the different features available for this new website. So, when the website loads, the first thing you see is a nice, welcoming video showing lamb chops being grilled and removed, food being served on your plate, and finally the address for the restaurant. So this is just the introduction to the website. Uh, you can see the very first thing people would see is they would recognize your branding using your logo up here right away, your name of the restaurant, what kind of cuisine you serve, your address, and 9 out of 10 times people would want to make reservations, so they would click on make reservations. At the time of this production of this video, the reservation takes you to your travel booking website. That can be changed at a later date. Scrolling further down uh, opens up the navigation menu for the website. So you got home menu, food menu, reservations, order online, specials, gift card, directions, and contact us. So you can browse through the website in two ways. You can either scroll from top to bottom, or you can click on these links directly. Anytime you click on the logo, it takes you back to the starting page, which is the home page. So, being on the home page still, a little bit of an introduction on your business, a quick handy dandy call now button. So, if you click on that using your phone, it would dial out straight to your phone. Speaking of phone as well, looking at this website, it's fully mobile friendly, and on the phone you get this extra green button that makes it quick for you to call out to you. You got your social media pages over here, so follow us on Facebook, takes you to your Facebook page. Follow us on Instagram, takes you to your Instagram page. So that way people can follow you on social media as well. Scrolling further down are your Google reviews. If somebody wants to submit a Google review, they can click over here and go straight to your Google review page, ready to be entered. Scrolling further down is a nice video of a chef in the kitchen cooking. It's actually a moving video. Uh, and in the foreground, you've got a little card showing your restaurant name, address, your hours, and the modes of payments you accept. Scrolling further down, there is a message box. Somebody wanted to contact you for any other reason than reservations, menus and specials, or review, any other reason, they are free to use this form. Make sure they complete this uh, challenge, simple math question. This is to minimize spam getting into your inbox. So any information typed in here by your customers, and uh, once they click contact us, uh, it fires off an email straight into your inbox, and you can communicate further via email. On the right of the contact form is your map from Google, where people can get directions straight from where they are to straight to your restaurant. You can see the destination is already filled. The same thing can be found using the directions button on the very top. So that's the bottom of the website on the home page. So if I click on menu, it will take me to the menu page. This is where you have the menu and specials. So 9 out of 10 times, people that want to check out your menu may want to order online. So at the time of the production of this video, this online order form sends people to your silverware POS system where they can start ordering right away. Scrolling further down, again, same design, the menus pop up, and then you've got a dine-in menu. So dine-in menu is fully editable from the back end. So you go to your soup, salads, and appetizers, click on that, it opens that up. Go to appetizers, seafood, and vegetarian meals, it opens that up. Go all the way to entrees, and it opens that up. For your drinks menu, it uses the actual menu you have at the restaurant, so it opens up PDFs as a booklet, so you can actually browse through the drinks menu. For specials, it's right under here, so you can see your Monday special, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. All the specials are here, followed by some information again for your restaurant. Reservations, like I say, takes you to your truffle booking website. This can be changed at a later date. You'd have to contact Full Web Solutions to make the changes. Order online, like I said, goes to your silverware POS. Specials we talked about goes to the specials. The gift card page takes you to this page where you got gift cards, your name of your restaurant, your address, and 9 out of 10 times, if people are on this page, they want to know more about the gift card. So if they click on contact request information, it sends them straight to this contact form that shoots an email to your inbox. So this is your gift cards page. A little bit about the gift card. Again, for simplicity, photo, Facebook, Instagram, links are here. Again, you got a nice video of a couple dining at a restaurant with information of your restaurant here, your message box, your map, and the end. Uh, Contact us on the menu sends you to the same contact page where somebody can type in information and see what they want to ask or send to you. Okay, so this, in an essence, is the front end of the website that can be seen by all of your customers. This website is fully responsive, meaning it adjusts to any screen size, whether it's a tablet, a phone, or computer. This is the menu for the phone. So you can see here as an example, if I go to gift cards, go straight to the gift cards page. Okay, so that completes the tutorial for the front end page and the demonstration of the new website for Poseidon Greek restaurant designed by Full Web Solutions. For more information, visit us at www.fullwebsolutions.com. Thank you for watching.